Hey everybody, Michael Anthony Fitness at MAF GigEcon, as I'm known on this channel. And right now, I'm actually getting ready to hit the road soon to go back for the CSA show tomorrow to meet some Dallas Cowboy players. We're mainly going to see Dak Prescott, but we're also going to see CeeDee Lamb, Michael Irvin, and I'm probably going to get an autograph from Alan Harper tomorrow at the CSA show. But that's not why I came here, because I got not one but two multi-store orders, and I did my first return with Instacart, and we'll talk about that on this video. But before we get into that, if y'all new here, make sure y'all punch that subscribe button, ring that sexy button, Hulk smash, Hulk smash, Hulk smash that like button. Let's get into it. So yeah, today I did my first and second multi-store order, and they're not really that bad. They were good paying, of course. The first one I got paid $26 for it, and it was Market 32 was the grocery store I went to. I went to a wholesale store, Sam's Club, not too bad. Now, with the first order I did, majority of the items that I bought were non-perishable items. And the same thing at the second store, non-perishable items. And I think that's how they do it. Now, it wasn't a lot of items, of course. And the timer was 30 minutes at each store to get all the items. So it really wasn't that bad. And the pay was good. Now, the distance between each store was far further from each other than the second one, because the second order I did, the stores were next door to each other. It was Wegmans and Sam's Club. Now, Wegmans only had to pick up flowers for a customer. So they told me to go to Sam's Club first. I picked up all the items from Sam's Club. Once again, non-perishable items. And then I went to Wegmans and picked up the flowers. Now, it wasn't anything frozen or nothing like that on that particular order. Now, the first batch I did, the Sam's Club had one item that was frozen. So if there is any items that are frozen or perishable, they'll probably be on the second pickup. So that was cool. But I have a gripe with Instacart, and I found out that they also used on Amazon. So I'm not sure if they're an Amazon affiliate company or not, but I had an issue today. And it's the same that happened yesterday, because I had two orders I had to cancel. I went to support, got my $5 for both orders. The second one, I just kind of finessed the system, picked up the order knowing the store was closed, and then went to support, and they paid me for the order to cancel it. And that's why you always go to support. But with Instacart, the support is terrible. Not the actual support when you finally get an agent, but the process you have to go through to get support. Because they keep asking you, what's the issue? This, that, and the other. You keep clicking buttons, and eventually after clicking buttons, they take you to the agent. Even though I told the support robot to give me an agent. But once you get to the agent, for the most part, the customer support is excellent. Because both times I had to use support, it was excellent. Well, today I had to return some paper towels and toilet paper because I left them on my vehicle today. So I went to support, and first I asked if I can get the address to the order, because I would be gladly to take it to the customer instead of returning it. But they could not divulge the information. I can understand why, because they don't want me to have the customer's address for safety reasons, which is understandable. So instead, I had to return it to the store, and because I didn't have the receipt, Instacart sent me this link that had the picture of the receipt, and come to find out, it's an Amazon affiliate link. Go figure. So they must be using some technologies from Amazon to conduct their business, but that's cool. Amazon's a tech company. They work with the NFL too to help with the helmets and the CTE stuff, which is cool. It's cool getting all that data. But once I got the receipt, because I couldn't find the receipt, I went to Sam's Club, went to the returns. They were able to scan the receipt from my phone. I got the return slip. Once I went through that hectic process to speak to an agent, I let them know which order it was. I showed them the receipt to that order that was sent, and I sent them the refund receipt. And with all that, they were able to correct everything that needed to be corrected for the customer. But I feel a little bad because I shouldn't have known that the paper towels and toilet paper on the back of my vehicle. But at least the customer will get a refund. I got less of a tip because I forgot to take those out of my vehicle and deliver it to the customer. But the customer was made whole. I did get less of a tip, and I'll probably get a lesser rating on my account. But it's all good. A couple of good paying orders, a couple of more orders, my rating will go back up, so it's not the end of the world. But that shows that you need to speak to support, because that would get you out of trouble. And if you're due pay, you speak to support, because when you speak to support, for instance, if a store's closed or a restaurant's closed or your wait time's longer, you speak to support, and you can get, in most cases, you can get compensated for your time. Now, Instacart, if a store is closed and you send them a picture of the store being closed, like a note on the window or whatever, because of maintenance, like yesterday, you'll get compensated $5 for your time. You say, that's not a lot, but hey, at least I got compensated something. That's partially why I finessed the system yesterday too, because they had more orders pop up. It's probably the ones that were canceled. I clicked on one of the orders that was going to that Aldi's that was closed because of maintenance. And what did you know? I went to support and they gave me another $5 for my time driving there. So between those two canceled orders, I got $10, $5 for each. So yep, you talk to support. I know with Dash, you can get extra $5 for a wait time excessive of 30 minutes. So if you know it's going to be 30 minutes for an order, maybe you can go pick up another order, come back, pick up that order, and drop it off after the wait time. But if you talk to support, you can get extra $5 put in your account because of the wait time. Wrong address, they'll compensate you more money for wrong address on DoorDash and Uber Eats if you provide the correct address to the support. So always keep in touch with support, and that'll get you out of trouble too. Because if I didn't call support or speak to support through the app about those items and kept them for myself, I could have been deactivated from the app. And this week, majority of my money that I made doing gig work came from Instacart in my second market that I work. So if I'm out of Instacart, then what am I supposed to do when I decide that, hey, I want to move here and I want to work? I'm out of luck with another opportunity to make the money that I want to make, along with working with my dad. So it's Mike Anthony Fitness, and I'm going to get up out of here like Mr. Vontae Davis. And I'll see y'all on next video or live stream. And I hope these tips and this story today will help y'all with your GigEcon businesses. And comment section below. Just let me know. Yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you like the idea of me doing daily live streams after I finish my gig work. So basically what we'll do is at the end of my shifts, When I finish working for the day, doing gig work, I'll just pop on, do a 10 to 30-minute live stream every single time. We could talk about my day. If you've got any questions on gig work and such, that's the time to talk about it. But I am gone. Peace.